Hi everyone, I am Yalini and with me is Madhu. Today we are talking about something that everyone in Web3 uses, but very few people actually understand. That is crypto wallets and digital security. Most hacks doesn't happen because the blockchain is weak. This they happen just because they didn't understand it properly. So today we are breaking it down in the simple way. No tech, no complicated explanation, just practical things that actually matters. So, Madhu, let's start simple. What you first heard the term crypto wallet, what did you imagine?
Honestly, I thought it was like a Paytm balance, a place where your crypto sits inside the app. But what I understood, your money is not a MetaMask or Trust wallet. Your money is always on a blockchain. Thus, the wallet simply gives you access by holding your private key and understanding the one point completely changing how you look at a security. Now, Yalni, the word private key scares a lot of beginners. How do you explain private key and seed pairs in your simple words?
I explained it like this. Your private key is your signature, the thing that proves something belongs to you. Your, your seed phrase has 12 or 24 words, is the master key to your entire wallet. If someone has your seed phrase, they literally became you in the blockchain world. So there is no password reset, no customer care, no bank. That's why people always say, not your keys, not your crypto. So, Madhu, people here hear about like a hot wallet and wallet everywhere, but don't know the difference. Can you break it down simply?
For sure, Yalni. A hot wallet is connected to internet. MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Fathom, it's fast and convenient, but also the easiest to get hacked if you are careless. A cold wallet is offline. Ledger, Trezor, like digital lockers. If you are holding any serious value, cold wallets are not optional. They are essential. What are the most common mistakes you have seen people making with wallets, Yalni?
There are so many mistakes. The biggest one is typing their seed phrase in random websites. Another is like clicking sign in without reading what they are signing. And some signature literally give full control to your wallet to someone else. And then there are using one wallet for everything, like for NFTs, uh, DEF, DEFs, airdrops, experiments, etc. If the wallet gets compressed, everything is gone. Madhu, if someone wants to actually stay safe, like practical step, what should they do?
I always tell people write your speed pairs on paper, never online. Use separate wallets, a main wallet, a maintain wallet, and experimental wallet. Revoke old permissions using tools like revoke.cash. Double check websites and like most scam started with fake URLs. These simple habits protect you from 90% of hacks. Yali, I have a question for you. Wallets are not only for money. What are some real life uses students might be know regarding this?
You're right. Wallets are do much more than hold crypto. Students can store blockchain, verified certificates, access D apps without passwords, but and buy NFT tickets, even tickets for events, play games where they truly own assets, and even manage on-chain identity. Wallets are slowly becoming the login system for the future internet. If a beginner is listening and what wants to start today, what's the first point according to you?
Like it starts very small. Install a wallet like MetaMask or Ruby. Write down your speed face safely. Do a tiny transaction. Even 100 rupees is enough. Join communities. Watch real tutorials and learn what your own space. You don't need to be any technical. You just need curiosity. Like one before we wrap up. What's one mindset someone should have when you using wallets?
My answer is simple: slow down. People get hacked because they rush. They click fast, sign in fast, like trust fast. Wallet gives you freedom, but with freedom comes responsibility. If you take a few extra seconds to think, you will stay safe always. So, thank you.